Introduction to Betterment ETFs. Betterment ETFs are a type of investment portfolio offered by Betterment, a popular robo-advisor. These portfolios are designed to provide low-cost, diversified, and professionally managed investment options for individuals. To get the most out of Betterment ETFs, it is essential to understand the best practices for investing in them. Understanding your investment goals. Before investing in Betterment ETFs, it is crucial to define your investment goals and risk tolerance. Consider what you want to achieve through your investments, such as saving for retirement or a down payment on a house. Also, assess your risk tolerance, including your ability to withstand market fluctuations. Choosing the right portfolio. Betterment offers a range of ETF portfolios, each with a different asset allocation and risk level. The most common portfolios include the conservative, moderate, and aggressive options. The conservative portfolio is suitable for those with a low risk tolerance, while the aggressive portfolio is geared towards those who can withstand higher market volatility. Practical examples. For example, if you are saving for a short-term goal, such as a down payment on a house, a conservative portfolio may be the best option. On the other hand, if you are saving for a long-term goal, such as retirement, an aggressive portfolio may be more suitable. Best practices for investing in Betterment ETFs. To maximize your returns and minimize your risk, follow these best practices when investing in Betterment ETFs. First, start with a solid understanding of your investment goals and risk tolerance. Second, choose a portfolio that aligns with your goals and risk level. Third, invest regularly, taking advantage of dollar cost averaging to reduce market volatility. Fourth, avoid making emotional decisions based on market fluctuations, and instead, stick to your long-term investment plan. Key concepts. Some key concepts to keep in mind when investing in Betterment ETFs include diversification, asset allocation, and tax efficiency. Diversification involves spreading your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk. Asset allocation refers to the process of dividing your investments among different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Tax efficiency involves minimizing tax liabilities through strategies such as tax loss harvesting. Conclusion. In conclusion, investing in Betterment ETFs can be a great way to achieve your investment goals, but it requires a solid understanding of your goals, risk tolerance, and the best practices for investing in these portfolios. By following the best practices outlined in this guide, you can maximize your returns, minimize your risk, and achieve your long-term investment objectives.